Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Welcome back to all the Form 3 students of SMK Bandar Tenggara. Although we still cannot meet each other because of this pandemic, I hope that all of you are still excited to continue with our 2021 learning session. Before we start, make sure that you have already downloaded the digital version of your English textbook. So this is the English textbook that you are going to use this year. If you still haven't downloaded the textbook, pause this video and click the link in the description box down below. Or you can go to the AnyFlip link that I have shared in your class group. Also, make sure that you have your stationeries and your notebook ready. Let me share with you what you can expect from today's lesson. Today, we are going to start with Unit 1 of our textbook, Family Ties. You will do a simple listening task and a speaking task related to the topic today. Now, look at this picture. What can you see? There are 3 hands and they all look different. Without looking at the caption at the bottom of the page, try to describe the picture. Now, let's analyze this picture. The top hand looks very young and small, probably the hand of a child. The second one looks larger but delicate, looks like an adult woman's hand, probably the mother. And the bottom one is the largest and the skin shows signs of aging like wrinkles and veins. The owner of the hand is probably the oldest among these 3. Now, look at the caption below. This picture is actually of a child's hand, a mother's hand, and a grandmother's hand. 3 generations side by side. So, are the owners of these hands related? Yes, they are. They are family. Now look at task A. So this is your first task for today. How many words for family members can you think of? List as many words related to family members as you can. From the picture before this, we already have 3 words: child, mother, and grandmother. Think of a family tree. Who else are in a family tree? Write down your answers and share it with your teacher and your friends later on. If you are not sure of the spelling, you can refer to your dictionary or you can check the spelling online. Next, let's look at the ideas focus on page 7. For this task, you have to record your voice and send the recording to your teacher. Don't be shy. We are not going to share your voice anywhere else. We just want to see whether you can talk about this topic or not. There are 2 questions that you have to answer. Number 1, if you could choose someone famous to be in your family, who would you choose and why? Someone famous. You can choose a celebrity, athlete, or anyone famous. But remember, you have to give a reason for your choice. Number 2, if you could go back in time, which one of your ancestors would you like to meet and why? In this question, you can see the word ancestors. Ancestors are the elder generations in your family line. Think of your family tree. The bottom part is you. Moving upwards, there are your parents, grandparents, great-grandparents, great-great-grandparents, great-great-great-grandparents, and so on. These people are who we call as ancestors. So who do you want to meet if you can travel back to the past? So, to sum it up, here are your 2 tasks for this week. 1. List as many words related to family members as you can in your notebook. And number 2, answer the 2 questions in the ideas focus through voice recording and please send it to your respective teachers. I hope all of you can learn something new from today's lesson. Don't forget to complete your task. If you have any question, you can ask me or Teacher Salwa. Till our next class, stay safe, stay healthy and happy learning. Bye!